Hey, I'm meteorologist Chad Garno, and welcome to the Arkansas Extreme Weather blog for January 5th, 2011. A lot of topics to get to, including a big Arctic blast and the possibility of seeing some wintry weather. All right, let's get to those tower cams from WeatherBug. This is a shot from Vilonia High School. You can see the kids are going back to school this week. We've got the school bus parked ready to take them out after the school is done with, and they are starting off their morning with cloudy skies. Almost the same sight for Danville. You can make out the stratus clouds overhead, and those clouds brought in some rain showers overnight, but 8:30 this morning, you can see the rain is basically out of here. We're going to be going through a drying trend through the rest of this morning. Visible satellite feed, this is taken around 8:30 this morning. Cloud cover encompassing most of the state. Some clearing already being detected in the western edge of Arkansas, and that's showing signs of dry air trying to work itself in here. So we're going to be cloudy through the morning, but most of the models are showing that we are going to clear out, and we're agreeing with that assessment, so we will get a good dose of sunshine as we get in the afternoon hours. When will the clouds clear out in your area? Most likely right around the lunchtime, 12 to 1 p.m. If they take longer to clear out, it means that temperatures are going to be cooler. If we get the sunshine earlier through the day, temperatures will be a little warmer than projected. Current thermometer readings, we are into the 40s all across the state. 43 in Little Rock, 45 Russellville. We've got Flippin at 37, so there are some upper 30s. We got to travel some good distance there to get to the north and northeast side of Arkansas to get to that cooler air. 1 mile visibility in Camden right now with cloudy skies, as they actually had some rain showers overnight, so that's why they're dealing with that stuff. Projection of temperatures here real quickly. Obviously this model is a little more aggressive than the rest of them, showing us we'll be hitting the low to mid 50s in Little Rock this afternoon, and more the low 60s possible for southwest Arkansas. That is if we're able to clear out before 12 p.m. All right, let's turn to some models here. Let's go over the GFS. This is initialized at 6E, otherwise around midnight. And this is valid for this afternoon, right around 12 p.m. It actually leaves in the rain showers for eastern Arkansas, so it's obviously a slower solution in bringing out the rain, and we're not going to favor that, but we do favor that we are going to be clearing out, and temperatures will be getting close, if not above, 50 degrees. Going into Thursday, all the models are saying the exact same thing, and that is we are going to be mild, if you want to call it that, for this time of year, into the low 50s, possibly some places in the mid 50s in Arkansas with lots of sunshine. Friday, we're going to have some sunshine. More clouds could be filtering in late in the day. Temperatures there look to be hitting the mid 50s. So a nice little relief from the big cold spell that will be coming down our way. Saturday, we're in the 40s. We've got some cloud cover overhead, and you notice the rain showers over Texas and some good snow over the northwest part of the state. This is where it gets good. Let's get to Sunday morning, and this is around the midnight hour. Good energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We've got a trough, a short wave coming in from the southwest edge of our state, and another upper level low developing in the northwest part near the Pacific region. You can see right around the Oregon and Idaho region that there's that low too. So two systems possibly going to be influencing our weather here in the near future. And this is different from what we had yesterday, what we were talking about. We were suggesting snow in northeast Arkansas last time, if you remember. This time, scratch that off. Northern Arkansas not seeing a lot of snowfall, if they even see it. The precipitation now is being over central and southern Arkansas, and looking at the position of the low pressure system, this is at 6 a.m. on Sunday. We've got rain, we've got possible storms in Louisiana and getting closer to Mobile. On the backside, the northwest edge, that's where you normally get snow this time of year. This is projecting rain in Monticello, Camden, snow in the north of I-40. The amounts are harder to determine, and right around Little Rock, potential for freezing rain. That's what's going on with this particular model. Again, we've already seen the variance in the models before, so this is just one solution. We'll take it under consideration. Sunday, 12 p.m., this is still the GFS. Low getting stronger over Mobile, getting closer toward Tallahassee, Florida. On our end, we've got some light showers, light freezing rain, possibly leaving the area on the eastern side. Not seeing a lot of potential for snow there. Another snowstorm, though, taking shape there, coming off of the northwest edge into the Colorado Rockies. European, it's slower. It's bringing in the low in between the Texas-Louisiana border. We've got rainfall in southern Arkansas and potential of some light freezing rain as we get into 6 a.m. Sunday near Little Rock. So there's one thing for sure. We're going to get cooler. Temperatures are going to be ranging in the 30s. We're going to get precipitation in here. Most of it's going to be liquid, but still can't rule out freezing rain now. That's in the picture. And more potential for some snow. Again, the amounts and where exactly this is all going to take place is up for grabs, and it's very hard to determine that at this point. Going to Sunday at 12 p.m., the European giving us that low over Louisiana into New Orleans. We've got snow over southern Arkansas and into central Arkansas as well, and potential for freezing rain as we get into southeast Arkansas. And the snow is going to be persisting into 6 p.m. as finally that low starts to make its way toward Tallahassee. So the location of the low is being agreed upon from the European and GFS, but the timing is completely off, and the amount of moisture to work with is also something to take note of. So what are we going to be forecasting? We're going to lean toward more of a rain event as we get into Sunday morning, and then we could have a potential switch over to freezing rain and snow as we actually get toward the lunchtime period, because that is when more of that cold air is going to surge in on the northwest fringe of that low pressure system. Monday looks dry from both models. We're going to forecast that for now. We will keep low pops just in case. Otherwise, cloudy skies, temperatures staying in the freezing marker right around the 30s. It really depends on if we can break out some sunshine. And you see some snow over Kansas and in Oklahoma. Another area of low pressure swinging through here in Arkansas and definitely Missouri as we get into Tuesday morning. That's 6 a.m. And right before that, around midnight on Tuesday, it brings us some snow over Oklahoma and Missouri. Not a lot of moisture to work with, and that's why it's not going gangbusters over the snow in Arkansas with that system. So we may have the potential for flurries going into Tuesday, but nothing to get too excited about. The European almost showing the exact same thing. And another certainty we know of, it's going to be very cold, especially after Tuesday. Models have been showing this for quite a long period of time now. If you look at that 540 isotherm, making its way closer to Tampa Bay on the backside of a strong nor'easter, and there it is. I mean, we're talking thermometers barely getting back to freezing for high temperatures, and Thursday doesn't look any different. We'll be getting close to freezing in the afternoon while thermometers drop to the teens and low 20s. And as we look at the Arctic Oscillation, we're seeing that same trend, looking at all the downward spikes there for the middle of January. So no sign of any improvement here in the thermometer department. We're going to be probably falling below normal as we get into the middle of January. All right, that is it for the Arkansas Extreme Weather Post for today. I'll have more notes on the blog in the coming days. Until then, be sure to watch Jeff Baskin on Fox 16 this evening at 5, 9, and 10. Thanks for taking the time out of your day, and have a wonderful afternoon.